All right, sixth grade, it's week 3, April 20th through the 27th. I am going to be walking you through your assignments for the week. So remember, your supplemental information is going to be found on the stream. This week, we are going to be focusing on plate motion at plate boundaries. So this week, you have some fill-in-the-blank notes that I have included. We have a PowerPoint. I have made a video of me talking over the PowerPoint. So I add a little bit more information and talk you through the content. And then you also have an Edpuzzle. So if you go to this Edpuzzle, there is a Tim and Moby or a Brain Pop you can watch. And there are also some questions that pertain to plate boundaries. So this is, like I said, for week 3. There's not as much content as there was because it's more specific, but it will help you in regards to your assignments. So remember your assignments, we're currently in the stream. Your assignments are located in classwork. So let's click classwork. We're going to open this up. And I'm going to open it so that we can see it a little bit better. So like I said, this is week 3. It is for April 20th through the 27th, and our focus is plate boundaries. All of this work is going to be due Monday the 27th, so you have a full 7 days to work on your assignments. Now, we are going back and reviewing a little bit about plate tectonics because last week was spring break, so a lot of you probably need a friendly review of what that happens to be. So you're going to click this Go Formative link below. Yours will actually be a workable link. I've changed the actual timeframes to minutes so that you should know roughly how long it should exactly take you to complete an assignment. So this Go Formative is a vocabulary with some questions that go with it. So that should take about 20 minutes. For 2, you have a plate boundaries Google slide sorting activity, and that is attached below. It is located here. So if I scroll down and click this, the directions are going to be in this first page, and it says complete the graphic organizer by filling in the missing information with the provided text boxes. Then after moving the text boxes, you need to find an image from the internet and insert it into the diagram column for the boundaries. So if you look here, you can see we have these different boxes. Remember, when you have all of the arrows going in opposite directions, that means that you can move the boxes. You're going to move these into their appropriate locations. So my suggestion would be to attempt this after you take a good look and read over your notes for this week in the stream section. That'll help you. So these boxes that are already provided for you are going to go in these 2 columns, so effects and examples. What I said for diagram is that you are actually going to have to insert an image from the web of each of these. So you're literally going to look up convergent boundaries, find one, insert. You're going to insert an image of divergent boundaries and put it into the diagram. So you're going to have 3 inserted images within this column for diagram. And then you're going to turn that in. So like I said, you have Go Formative, you have the Google Slides. Then this third assignment is actually a lab. So if you go to this link, it's going to open up. Let me copy and paste this so I can show you. So if we're looking over here, this is what it's going to look like to you because I'm the teacher, and it's going to look a little bit different, but we're doing a lab. So this is kind of the background on what you're doing. If you would like to actually do this lab yourself and want to read over the Go Formative first, so that you know what exactly you need to complete the lab, you can do that and then come back and finish it. But I have literally videotaped myself doing the lab. So all you need for this lab is food coloring, a paintbrush, and a hard-boiled egg. And a lot of you might have a lot of those left over from Easter. So that being said, you're going to watch this video clip. It's about 10 minutes. And then you're going to fill in these questions. So there are some questions that you have to answer. This last one, I need a lengthier response to the question, please. All right. So that is the lab for Go Formative. That'll probably take you about 45 minutes. Like I said, the video itself is about 10 minutes long. So I think 45 minutes is a good solid time frame for that completion. And then lastly, you have a Science IXL. It is AA2 and it's under 6th grade. So that's going to talk about plate tectonics. You didn't have to do one last week. So here we are. You're doing one this week, or the week before, 2 weeks ago. So you're doing one this week. So that should take about 30 minutes. So you could either do that in one day or you could do that over the week. It's up to you. But remember, all of this work is due by Monday the 27th. So use your time wisely. Like I said, if you haven't heard from me, or if I haven't heard from you for the week or haven't seen you start to complete some things, you'll be getting an email from me. All right? So hope y'all have a good week, and I will chat with you later.